It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. Now, if you noticed in my community section, I did a poll on what type of pound cake you wanted to see me make, and it was a close race, but cannabis infused lemon pound cake was the winner. So today I'm showing you how to make that cannabis infused lemon pound cake, and I'm using my mother's recipe. So this recipe is made with love and a little bit of Canna Butter. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need ingredients for the cake, the lemon glaze, and lemon frosting. So please check the description box below for the ingredients. Before we get started, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then use a microplane or box grater to zest 2 lemons. You only want to zest the yellow part of the lemons. Try not to get down to the white part because that can be quite bitter. And when you're finished, set the zest and the lemons aside. To make sure the cake does not stick to the bundt pan, use the wrapper from the unsalted butter to coat the entire pan. You can also